I'm Sheila from the Furniture Sisters. I want to share with you today a super quick craft flip project that is going to be a decor item in your house. I picked this tray up at the thrift store for about $3 for me. What I did was cut this string off, whoop, get rid of it. Now we've just got this. My thinking was, what can I turn this into? I'm going to turn it into a decorative tray that can be used on your coffee table. It could be a plant stand. Super easy, super quick. We always have leftover hardware hanging around, all different colors, gold, black, crystal knobs. This was so easy. I used my E6000 glue. This stuff is amazing. It'll glue anything. I picked out some black old hardware. These were literally off my kitchen cabinets when I replaced my hardware. A little bit of this goes a long ways. I just put 4 little plops of glue, put these little knobs on it, and they're solid as can be. I let them dry for about 24 hours. This tray can be made to go in your decor. Think this, look at this cute little crystal knob. Instead of black knobs, using crystal knobs. We can use paint to make it work in your decor. Can you imagine how cute this would be painted pink with cute little crystal knobs? It would go in the bathroom or on a dresser, holding perfume bottles, any type of decor. Here's some brass knobs. That totally changes the look if we pick brass knobs. Pick whatever works for your decor. We have one last idea of how to change this up. Grab some furniture legs. We picked these up on Amazon. And that elevates the tray higher and totally changes the look. You could paint this tray black to complement or to contrast with those brass legs. Check out this leg. This is a hairpin leg, black. These you would just screw in to the base and see how it elevates it, raises it up, put a plant on there. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you how we're gonna decorate this tray now that the glue has dried. If I'm just gonna use this on a tabletop, I might go with a plant, a cute ball, little cute stack of books. That's it. Super easy, cheap decor. I already have these things. I could change out these items and go with a kitchen look. These are Old Spice bottles, and that works. We can switch out the plant. If we want to use it in a bathroom that has a little bit of color, let's pull in this blue. I've got cute little bar of soap, hand soap, cream. This is some salve. Look what we just did. Now we're ready for a bathroom. We like to decorate in groups of 3s or odd numbers. So be thinking of that when you're decorating your tray. Now, guys, these thrifted items are available all day long at thrift stores. We always see old trays, old piece of wood, people's old craft projects that they're just getting rid of. They are super easy to transform into classy, elevated, elegant decor. So be on the lookout at your thrift stores. I'm always looking and thinking, what can I do with that? What can I do with that? This one, super easy, upcycled thrift project.